Thank you so much. Right, right, right. So I think I need to take up the third part, right? Okay, okay. So as we can see, the third part begins with words like television coverage changed cricket. It expanded the audience for the game by beaming cricket into small towns and villages. It also broadened cricket's social base. Social base, how it broadened the social base of cricket means people socially could connect over cricket, right? And since now television was involved in it, so you can better predict that so wide is the coverage of cricket. What this what is this word? Broadcast when a cricket match is broadcasted at the same time in I think someone is trying to say something. Is my voice nicely being heard by all of you? I'm keeping the mic very close, right? Okay. So I was saying that since the broadcast is so wide nowadays that say if a match is going to be held in 2 minutes, a lawn tennis live match between some Novak Djokovic or between Rafael Nadal, and it is broadcasted on five sports channel, ESPN, Star Sports, and then all the country people can watch it in the same time. So do you not think everyone is getting a view? Was it possible a century ago or maybe a century and a half ago? It wasn't. It wasn't. So it could have been possible with only one possibility. If you are securing a place, if you're planning to go and sit by the stadium, if you're present in that match, only then you can visualize and you can watch the match, right? So television was very much helpful in doing so. Children who had never previously had the chance to watch international cricket because they lived outside the big cities could now watch and learn by imitating their heroes. The technology of satellite television and the worldwide reach of multinational television companies created a global market for cricket. Matches in Sydney could now be watched live in Surat. See the same thing which I just said a moment ago. Since India had the largest viewership for the game amongst the cricket playing nations and the largest market in the cricketing world, the game's center of gravity shifted to South Asia, right? And in Asia, which country? India. Why? Because it has the highest number of viewership. Hope I'm clear. Hmm. Hmm. This this shift was symbolized by the shifting of the ICC headquarters from London to tax-free Dubai. Okay. So earlier, where was the headquarter of ICC? It was should yes, yes, yes. It was London, England, and now it is in Dubai. Right. 150 years ago, the first Indian cricketers, the Parsis, had to struggle to find an open space to play in, as it has already been highlighted in the initial paragraphs. Uh, Today, the global marketplace has made Indian players the best paid, most famous cricketers in the game. Men for whom the world is a stage. This transformation means what? The change, a change which is occurring over a period of time. This transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of the gentlemanly amateur by the paid professional, the triumph of one day game as it overshadowed Test cricket in terms of popularity, and the remarkable changes in global commerce and technology. Right? So, this is how the chapter has. come to a close. And who's the writer? Ram Chandra Guha, right? And this chapter has been taken from chapter number 7 of which book? India and the Contemporary World 1. Okay, it is the textbook. Yes, yes. So when you will be in class 9, like a year after, so you shall be going through, yes, you shall be experiencing a deja vu. Deja vu क्या होता है? A deja vu is a state where you will feel, say, tomorrow morning you wake up and you get up from your bed, you make up your bed, mama comes and greets you, and she asks you something, and then you went to your washroom area, and then you come back, and then you receive a phone call from your friend asking you something. But as the moments are going on with you, you are constantly feeling that this has already happened with me. Say, in the night you have already had a dream about this morning, and in the morning when you wake up your eyes, exactly the same events in the set chronological order are happening. So what you will feel? Won't you feel that, man, it has already happened, and now my father will come from that door and he will ask me this? Are you able to get what I'm trying to say? Yes, yes, yes. So it is. So this state is called as deja vu. है ना, जब आपको लगता है कि आप वही मोमेंट्स दोबारा से लिव कर रहे हैं, एग्जैक्टली वही. ठीक है. So that's how you may feel when you will reach class ninth. All right, so let us take up the question and answers of the comprehension check first. I think this comprehension I have already taken yesterday, and you've answered very nicely. Now let us switch to this comprehension check. A professional cricket player is one who makes a living by playing cricket. Find the opposite of professional in the last paragraph. So this is the last para, 150 years ago, till commerce and technology. You need to find out the what the opposite opposite of professional. What it is? First, you try to know the meaning of. Listen. First, you try to know the meaning of professional. हम प्रोफेशनल किसको कह रहे हैं? प्रोफेशनल व्यक्ति कौन है? जब आपको प्रोफेशनल का मतलब सही समझ में आएगा, रेज योर हैंड्स and keep your mouth shut so that I can invite the answers. Okay, Master Aditya. What is a professional? I didn't hear you properly. Say again. I'm not asking the opposite. I'm asking you the meaning of professional. Okay, mute yourself. There's so much of noise in your background. All right. Yeah, Ankit, say. What is the meaning of professional? Right. Right. You can add one more thing to it. What it can be? Who can add what I'm trying to say? He's, ठीक है. What else? And he's being paid nicely, right? When you're not doing a charity, when you're not just playing for the sake of playing, you're being paid for for representing your country internationally or maybe in regional cricket, right? So here there is the line, right? Kindly prevent yourself from talking to someone in the camera, because when you tilt your head, even when you just rotate your eyeballs to left and right, it is very awkward in the camera. So here you can see there is a word Today, the global marketplace has made Indian players the best paid, most famous cricketers in the game, men for whom the world is a stage. This transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of the gentlemanly amateur by the paid professional. So यहाँ पे रिप्लेसमेंट हो गया किसका? किसका रिप्लेसमेंट हुआ? जेंटलमैनली amateur का. Amateur कौन है? Amateur means, look up, mature and having experience, है ना? Yeah. And when you say a professional, तो मतलब वो अपने काम में महारत हासिल करते हुए, he is quite experienced, he is having all the knowledge, and he is just like, a person who can guide others, right? So now you people tell me, what is the opposite from this paragraph? Raise your hands. Amit Kumar Pal, all black in your camera. Aryan Ramesh Surve, I think there's a power cut. Oh no, there is no power in your head, I suppose. Huh? Make your space lit. Okay, Ankit, answer this. Okay, okay, I'm asking Amit. Let's begin with Amit. Amit Kumar Pal. What can be the answer? Say quickly. It's amateur. It is sounding as if you're saying, ma'am, I'm not sure. I'm not sure, ma'am. Ah, I'm not sure. But it is amateur, okay? Say loudly. ओ भाई बोलना है दोबारा. हाँ, बेहतर बेहतर. चलिए बहुत बढ़िया. Now the next question. In the triumph of the one day game, triumph means the one day games superiority to test cricket or inferiority to test cricket or achievement and success over test cricket, popularity among viewers. What can be the right option? Yes, Vivek, but for that you need to show your face, appear on camera. अब तो 7 पीरियड तक आप लोगों को एकदम बढ़िया से, जैसे कि आप लोग लाइक यू गो टू अ वेडिंग सेरेमनी टू हैव रंगारंग फूड एंड सो मेनी डेजर्ट्स इन योर माउथ. लास्ट 7 पीरियड तक आपको एकदम सच संवर के बैठना है, एकदम मेकअप वेकअप करके स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म में. किसी को नींद नहीं आ सकती, कोई टायर्ड नहीं हो सकता. और किसी का नेटवर्क जाएगा तो मैम से आप बात कर लें. यस रुधि से. What do you all people think? Is she correct? Hmm. This is the most appropriate one. नहीं, यहाँ पॉपुलैरिटी की बात ही नहीं हो रही है अंकित. अगर तुम पैसेज पढ़ोगे, if you look at the passage, है ना, look. Today the global marketplace has made Indian players the best paid, la la la, most famous cricketers in the game. This transformation was made up of many smaller changes. The replacement of the amateur by the paid professional, the triumph of the one day game. देखो triumph की बात हो रही है. Triumph का मतलब क्या होता है? If you look up for the words meaning, I think your doubt will be vanished. ठीक है? The triumph of the one day game as it overshadowed test cricket. Overshadowed यानी कि उसको ज्यादा प्रेफर किया जाने लगा था, है ना? तो यहाँ पे जब हम ऑप्शंस देखते हैं ना, सो अचीवमेंट एंड सक्सेस ओवर, दो बोथ वो पॉपुलर. भाई टेस्ट क्रिकेट या वनडे क्रिकेट, क्रिकेट का क्रेज तो इंडिया में सबसे ज्यादा है ही. वो तो पैराग्राफ खुद ही बोल रहा है. दैट्स द रीजन द बेस शिफ्टेड टू साउथ एशिया. यस और नो? है ना? सो द थर्ड वन, आई बिलीव द थर्ड वन इज मोस्ट अप्रोप्रिएट. ठीक है, चलो अब थर्ड पे आते हैं. द मेन फॉर हुम द वर्ल्ड इज अ स्टेज. इट्स वेरी obvious here. It refers to the Third one, right? So I guess the chapter, which is a factual account of the story of cricket, and not only the cricket of the contemporary time, but they have shown a basic historical background of this game. So I believe that this is quite clear to all of you. And now I'll be in my next class, which is tomorrow, right? I will be. I'm planning to have one of the activities actually, so I'll be sharing the details most clearly by the evening, so that you people can gear up and can perform accordingly, right? Or we can get ahead. कुछ मैं क्लास में जो हमारे interactions होंगे, I'll be recording that also through my recorder, and then I will ask you personally also to take pictures with the help of your elders, parents, and you can share it with me, right? So, Shreyas, where's your sister? Unmute. Your mic is mute. अब आवाज नहीं आ रही है. Where is your sis? बहन कहाँ है आपकी? कृषिका. मैम शी इज स्लीपिंग मैम. है ना? मतलब जब कृषिका रहेगी तो श्रेयस नहीं रहेंगे. ओके, नाउ शी इज विजिबल ऑन द स्क्रीन. ठीक है, तो आप लोगों को यहाँ तक का काम, यू नीड टू keep a very good work account also. How many of you have sent me your work? Raise your hands. On my mail. आर्यन तुम्हारी तो सिर्फ या. सत्या, have you not sent? क्यों मैम? Which Shubh Muhurat you are waiting for, ma'am? Oh my God, what to do? Please, please. है ना? और कौन है बहादुर जो एक्सेप्ट कर सकता है? मैम, आई हैव नॉट सेंट. डू नॉट डू सो, cause now the mode is online. अब हम लोग के पास कोई काम है नहीं तुम लोगों को आराम से डिग करने के अलावा, है ना? अंकित, यू आर सो हंग्री, यू आर ईटिंग योर ओन फिंगर्स, biting nails. I just pity. I'm afraid if the curtain which is at the back of your head, it might be over in 1 hour. If you start eating and chewing, one may never predict. All right, chalo, this is closure from my end. Stay active, happy learning. We shall meet again tomorrow, right? Keep. अरे थैंक यू बाद में बोलना तुम लोग. शुरू हो जाता है एक एक तरीके से. ओके. Say if you'll go to a wedding party. Okay, sir. Thank you for thank you for feeding us. Thank you for the food. You know, we were hungry from ages, sir. Thank you with the food. Do you do? Do you express your gratitude that way? Bring newness, novice. Try some other ways. Try some other ways to show your gratefulness to the teacher. It's not at all necessary and mandatory, but it should be something which is natural. Okay, ma'am, thank you for teaching us. You never say, okay, ma'am, love you for beating me. Huh? Do you do so? You never does appreciate if I scold you. Hey, ma'am, I'm so glad you scold me. Keep doing that every 6 hours. Do you say so? Huh? So थोड़ा सा नयापन लाइए. अब तो पेप्सी के एड्स भी विथ अस. ठीक है, प्रीशियस टाइम को हम साथ में बिताते हैं. या दिस कैन बी वन वे. You may use shorter words also, not a necessary action. ठीक है, चलो, have a good day and catch you tomorrow. Thank you.